Hello everyone. Welcome to Rosarium, a place where you can learn to bloom. Today's topic is simile. What is simile? It is a figure of speech involving the comparison of one thing with another. Let us see some examples. As boundless as ocean. As we know, it is very difficult to find the boundary of an ocean. We can compare this simile with God's love. Example, God's love is as boundless as ocean, as soft as feather. Mostly, feather seems very soft. To emphasize the softness of an object, we can use this bed is as soft as feather. As opposite as poles. We know Earth have two poles. One is north and one is at the south. These two are in extreme ends. When people express totally different opinion or situations, we can use the simile. Their decision is as opposite as poles. As bright as sun. Sunlight always bright. To give more emphasis of brightness, we can use the simile. Example, the room lit up as bright as sun. As cool as cucumber. Cucumber is always cool in a hot climate also. So we can use this simile for a person remain cool in a critical or tense situations. Example, the girl seems as cool as cucumber before the match. As white as snow. Everybody know the whiteness of the snow. To emphasize the whiteness, we can use the simile. Example, this dress looks as white as snow. As thirst as sponge. Sponge always absorbs any kind of water. To emphasize the thirst for something, we can use the simile. Example, we should be as thirsty as sponge to acquire knowledge. As zigzag as lightning. Lightning always occur not in a straight line. To emphasize the movement or motion, we can use the simile. The car move as zigzag as lightning. As long as giraffe. To compare the length of any object, we can use the simile. Example, the grass is as long as giraffe. As hard as rock. To show the hardness of an object, we can use the simile. Example, this candy is as hard as rock. If you find this video is useful and knowledgeable, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.